Now request Dr. Anwar Sheikh Sir, President of Indo-Global Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture, to welcome the dignitaries, participants and scholars and also brief us about World Management Congress.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all. At the very outset, I take this opportunity to welcome the dignitaries on the dais. Chief guest for today's inaugural function, Professor Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi ji, world-renowned environmental scientist, institutional builder and management thinker and Chancellor of Indira Gandhi Technological and Medical Sciences University, Zairo, Arunachal Pradesh. Honorable Dr. Cholwit, Dean Faculty of Social Sciences, Sri Khanavirot University, Bangkok, Thailand. Dr. Suravatari, Deputy Director, Muslim Studies Center, Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok, Thailand. Dr. Mona Kari, Head of the Political Science Department, Srinath Harinwot University, Bangkok, Thailand. Dr. Mohammad Fahim, Visiting Research Fellow, Muslim Studies Center, Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok, Thailand. Dr. Sanjay Kaptan, Head of the Department and Research Center, University of Pune. Journalist and press reporters, convener of the conference, Professor Rakesh Mittal, Professor Tahir Sheikh, Professor Sachin Kulkarni, all the dignitaries present here, my dear participants who have come from all across India and the globe. It is an honor and privilege for me to extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries and delegates present here. The history of the World Management Congress and the higher education and development, that is HEAD Summit, date back to 28 to 31 December 1980, when the first such Congress was organized with a view to making the world citizenry aware regarding the need for bringing productivity through management techniques. Inaugurated by the then Union Minister of Commerce, Steel and Mines, Government of India, and now President of India, Honorable Shri Pranab Kumar Mukherjee, on 28th of December 1980. The Congress discussed different emerging issues of management for designing a master plan paradigm for the coming years, for locating a critical path to enter the 21st century and the third millennium. Dear friends, when we thought of organizing this World Management Congress at Pune and in India, we thought of bringing the scholars who are doing research in those areas on a common platform to share and discuss their research work and findings so that we all are mutually benefited. It will definitely expand our knowledge horizon and may give new dimensions to our research activities. The Congress will explore the recent developments in the field of commerce, law, social sciences, technical consultancy, and provide a platform to thrive upon the ideas and research done by the intellectuals of the society. This Congress aims to provide a forum for the exchange of an idea on the latest business innovation developments in the field of commerce, economics, management, engineering, technology, consultancy, and various studies in different social sciences areas and environment among researchers and practitioners in universities and industries, and to seek opportunities for collaboration among the participants. I am very much elated and I take pride and feel privileged to welcome one and all for this World Management Congress. We are indeed honored to have all of you here with us. I am very much confident that this Congress will be an amalgamation of interesting discussions and the thoughtful exchange of constructive ideas. The interaction amongst so many distinguished researchers will certainly give rise to the positive externalities and produce seed to the new knowledge for which we are particularly appreciative. The Congress will definitely give a direction to all of us, and I hope there will be excellent deliberations during various sessions. This would give the participants enough of encouragement and provide the audience with rich set of divergence. I am very much thankful to all of you for being with us, and once again on behalf of Indira Gandhi Technological and Medical Sciences University, Jairo, Arunachal Pradesh, Muslim Studies Center under the aegis of Institute of Asian Studies, Chulalongkorn University, Thailand, and the Indo-Global Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture, I extend our heartiest welcome to all of you and hope that we will continue to have your blessings, good wishes and wholehearted support. I wish you a memorable stay at Pune and every success in achieving your desired aim through attending this Congress. Thank you very much.